Hi, Kickstarter. My name's Taylor. This is Seiwei. And we're here today to launch a special project with you as a part of Kickstarter Gold. It's right here. It is pen type B made out of titanium. As part of Kickstarter Gold, we finally have a chance to do the special issue version of pen type B. So if you remember pen type B, this is one of our all-time favorite Kickstarter projects. It is crazy over-engineered pen in a sleeve, super high tolerances, super high machining tolerances. The steps that it takes to make this thing is really remarkable.
Nuts.
It is
so nuts, and we thought it'd be probably too impossible and hard to do in titanium.
But we're doing it.
But we did it.
Ta-da!
We did it. It's in titanium now.
Yeah.
It exists.
And a lot of you love this version in brass. I love this version in brass. It's a pen that's meant to last forever, but it picks up your own unique patina and wear over time. But this one, it's like a rocket.
Yeah.
It stays this way forever.
It
has this
show
really
anywhere.
beautiful satin finish on it. It's really low key, sleek. It's also a very beautiful pen, also meant to last multiple generations. So we hope that you like it, and we hope that you can help support this project so that we can actually make this thing.
You could give this pen to your grandkids and they'll be like, oh, where'd you get that brand new pen? Even though it's like 50 years old.
Please help us make titanium pen type B.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
We want this to exist. And we hope you do too.
Cool.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.